Welcome back to my channel. This is Business Rule Practice Session 35 by 100. In this video, we will work on custom table and implement real-time ServiceNow business rules to prevent users from selecting a past delivery date. A very common interview question and a real production requirement. So let's start our topic. The interview question is here. How do you prevent users from selecting a past delivery date? How do you prevent users from selecting past delivery date? So we can select past delivery date. So it will prevent from saving. How we can do? First, why this requirement is important? In real projects, delivery cannot happen in the past. Delivery date cannot happen in the past. Wrong dates break reports, planning, billing. This rule protects data quality. So it's very common interview and production requirement. Real-time scenarios, it needs this type of concept. And simply, we can break the requirement into simple steps. The concept is user should not save the order if the delivery date is before today. Yesterday, that's like, for that, we need to get today's date and compare delivery date with today. Stop saving if delivery date is in the past. For more deeply, forget today's date. How we can get today's date? So today's date get by GlideDate. So get today's date equal to where today, new GlideDate. Then compare delivery date with today. So comparison, we can use condition if current dot u underscore delivery date. U underscore delivery date is a backend value of delivery date. Dot nil. Nil means empty. If current delivery date is empty, and current delivery date is less than today, yesterday, like that, then it will stop the saving as you get error message and about action. So you can start. For alternative methods are the UA policies are there, client script are there, but UA policy works on all UA action, UA only, user interface only. Client script can be bypassed because it's client, not server script. Flow designer also there, but it's a heavy logic, not for simple. So somewhat complicated as compared to business rule. So business rule is the best option. Why business rule? Because it is server-side scripting. It cannot be bypassed. Works from anywhere. UI, APIs, import, and background script. Mainly used for the production system. We have what type of business rule used? According to our requirement, we need to use before business rule, because before saving to the data into the database. And the table is custom table, u underscore amma underscore organics. So we should use before. So while updating. While update and insert. Update and insert. Runs on server side. So let's start. We can navigate business rule by sys underscore script dot underscore list. Sys underscore script dot list or dot to. Or under system definition, we can directly use the business rules. Then we can go to the new. The name should be relevant to our requirement. The name is here. Prevent users from selecting past delivery date. Prevent past delivery date. We can simply copy the requirement as per requirement. Prevent past delivery date. Past delivery date. Then table is our custom table, organics. Organics. Then advanced. We click on advanced, it's showing highlighting of end-to-end highlight and advanced. We have 4 types of business rule: before, after, async, display business rule. As per our requirement, we are using before business rule. After business rule used for the mainly after save to the database. Async business rule used for the integration purpose. Display business rule is used for the when we call client script from server side script by using g underscore scratchpad, we can use display business rule. Then we need to apply insert and update. Both conditions it will work. Actions as per our requirement no need. Then advanced. While clicking on advanced, it will show these lines and no need of middle line, or if it's not necessary, then as per our breaking requirement, it is like that. So first get today's date as glide date. By using glide date, we can get the today's date. As per breaking our requirement, it's simply divided into 3 steps. First, we need to get today's date. How we can get where today equal to new glide date? We can get like that. So first we are declaring where today. Here we are declaring today's date. Where variable today. We are declaring today variable equal to new glide date. This is an API glide date. We can use glide date and time also, both conditions it will work. Then enter the semicolon. Then what's the next step? Check delivery date exists and it is in the past. So we need to add condition. If condition we need to add. Then current dot you underscore delivery date. This is the backend value of the delivery date. So we need to add if condition. If then current. If not current. Not means not available. Current means current table. If current dot. If not current dot. So we need to apply delivery date. Backend value of delivery date. What's the backend value of delivery date? U underscore delivery underscore date. We can copy the field value and simply paste in the business rule. Current dot U underscore delivery date. Then we need to give input as system to the nil. Nil means empty. If current delivery date is empty, we are giving input to the system. We are giving logic to the system. Then system automatically will calculate. And we are giving the and symbol. Both conditions should be there. And current delivery date should be less than today. We need to add current delivery date should be less than today. Like that in the breaking requirement. Current U delivery date less than today. So we need to add current. Current means current table. Current dot. We need to add backend value of the delivery date. So that's why we are using U underscore delivery underscore date. Then less than today. Less than symbol. Less than today. So it should not be less than today. We are giving input to the system. Then start with curly braces. The building of blocks of code will start in the curly braces. Will stored in the curly braces. Then what's our next step? According to the breaking the code, we have completed 2 steps. The final step is stop saving. How we can stop saving? Simply, we can providing by add error message and set about action. So we are using now add error message. How we can get add error message? By adding gs glide system dot add error message option, and then in that error message option, we need to give proper error message. What the error message? Delivery date cannot be stored in the past. Cannot be stored in the past. So same message will come like that as the error message. So that's it, guys. Then close this line with a semicolon, and then we need to stop the action. How we can give? By adding set about action. We can stop the action. Stop from preventing saving. So we are using current. Current means it will apply for the current table. Current dot set about action. We should use true. Then only it will apply. Then semicolon. Then format the code by using this symbol. Then it will align these lines uniformly and maintain the proper gaps. Then we need to submit here. So we have created the business rule. Business rule act as a brain to the service now. It's nothing but we are giving logic to the system. Now we can test. How we can test? We can refresh. So create table or create order, organics, create new, then submit something. Then delivery date should be less than 30. Just we'll try. Then submit. So as per our business rule, it will stop the delivery date cannot be stored in the past. It's showing an error message and invalid insert. This is by add error message option and invalid insert is by set abort action. Same we are done here. First we are giving variable, declaring variable, and then compare the delivery date and then stop saving by add error message and set abort action. So it works on with this business rule concept. Same error message is coming here. And try with another way. So one more time, we can give new order. Just select the mandatory requirement. Then try without delivery date. So it's fine. And another points are and common errors. We are doing this coding. So these are the avoiding common errors. These are very important. And using gs.today instead of GlideDate, we should not use gs.today because compares date with string. We should compare dates with the date only. We should not compare the date with string. It won't work. And we should not use after business rule. For this case, we should use before business rule because record already saved into the database. So it won't work on validation. So validation is useless. And we should not use insert or update unchecked. We should check the insert or update. We should check insert or update. Insert and update. Wrong field name also, it will cause us errors in the business rule. So carefully select the field name. Field name means here. This delivery date is field name. Backend value of delivery date is u underscore delivery underscore date. We should use u underscore delivery underscore date. Where you will come. You, because this is a custom table created by user. Delivery date instead of u underscore delivery date. That's it, guys. This is my channel. Thank you, guys. Wish you all the best. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel if it is worthwhile. Thank you.